our chairperson, Mrs. Nita Ambani.
Proud parents and grandparents, heads, teachers, and staff, our chief guest, the very inspiring, courageous, and exceptional Dr. Deepa Malik. And my dearest children, Namaskar and good evening. Good evening. Welcome to the 20th graduation ceremony of Dhirubhai Ambani International School. Today is a day of joy, nostalgia, gratitude, and immense pride. A day that celebrates each one of you, our graduating class of 2024. This moment is a culmination of your joyous school years and also a testament to your hard work and ode to the bonds of friendship and beautiful memories that you have created here in your home, away from home. It's also the beginning of a glorious new chapter of your lives. As I stand before you, I'm overwhelmed with emotions and memories. It feels just like yesterday when you were all our little babies giggling with innocence in your light blue t-shirts with bright yellow suns. Parents, you remember that? Many of you joined us in lower KG. Mehak, Arya, Kiara, Vansh, Dev, Falak, Sparsh, and many more. Some of you joined us in class 8. Dhruv, Tanay, Trisha, Abhinav, Vivek, Adya. And then some joined us in class 11. Siddhant, Anya, Leher, Arya, Yana, Tejas. Each one of you brought your own talent and qualities. Viraj, our memory boy. Anamika, the cat mom. Rishita's meticulousness. Rishita. Navya's ballet. Kabir's music. Arnav, Yash, Ninad's passion for robotics. Divya, Rishita, Riya, Arhan, and Abhiviraj's Global Award for Science. And Kiara, our champion swimmer, with 12 international and 70 national medals. You made all of us proud, Kiara. Your mother, Kasturi, is here. Congratulations, Kasturi. You're a batch of extraordinary students who came together beautifully as one great class of 2024. The Festival of Hope that you all organized together won praise from the IB Director General and the entire IB community. Yet, this wasn't the first time we saw your innovative planning skills in action. I believe your batch bid farewell to COVID protocol in a unique style by organizing a mask throwing ceremony in 2022. And of course, you all took Prank Week to another level this year. I and the entire school community have heard about your ball pit and the Archie's poster. Truly, class of 2024, your bonding has been a joy to witness. Even in sports, we see that a team that bonds well is a team that wins. And class of 2024, you have personified that. Be it in the classroom, on the field, or during the tense moments when college admissions were announced, you were always stronger together, lending a shoulder to your friends and bringing out the best in each other. It's because of classes and batches like you that DIS is ranked among the top 20 IB schools globally for 5 consecutive years, and the #1 international school in India for the 11th consecutive year. Parents, I would now like to share some highlights of the outstanding placements that our graduating class has achieved. Class of 2024 received over 400 offers of acceptances from 125 universities across 8 countries, 311 from USA, 83 from UK, 10 from Canada, and others from Singapore, Spain, Netherlands, Hong Kong, and India. "59% of the class received offers from 17 of the top 30 best global universities, including 1 from Cambridge, 2 from Oxford, 8 from Imperial, 9 from UCL, 4 from UC Berkeley, 1 from Chicago, 2 from UPenn, 2 from Yale, 5 from Columbia, 4 from Johns Hopkins, 10 from UCLA, 5 from Michigan, 6 from King's College, 1 from LSE, 7 from Carnegie Mellon, 4 from Brown, just to name a few. "38% of the class received 60 scholarships, totaling more than $4 million US. And I'm thrilled to share that 100% of the class of 2024 has been placed at the university of their choice. Heartiest congratulations, our class of 2024. Over the years, we have watched you grow, learn, and transform into these amazing young individuals you are today. Remember that no matter what life throws your way, your talent, your determination, your hard work, and the strong foundation you have built here will always guide you in your paths. Failure teaches you far more than success does. True character lies in the ability to rise and come back stronger after every challenge that life throws your way. And there can be no greater example of that than our chief guest tonight, Dr. Deepa Malik. Doctor, it is a pleasure to have you with us today. Your journey is marked by extraordinary courage and resilience. You are an inspiration, not just for our children, but for all of us. Dr. Malik was diagnosed with spinal tumor at the tender age of 5. She fought it hard, but the tumor returned at the age of 29, and this time it left her paralyzed from the waist down. But this, my dear children, was only the beginning of her story. Dr. Malik refused to let this condition define her. Instead, in her 30s, when most sports persons are at the end of their playing careers, Dr. Deepa Malik started afresh. She pushed her limits every single day. And against all odds, she went on to become a champion athlete, winning 23 international and 68 national and state level medals in swimming, javelin, shot put, and discus throw. Dr. Malik, you have shattered barriers and redefined possibilities, showing us that limits exist only in our minds. I'm a huge fan of yours. I've met you several times, and despite the challenges you have faced, I've always seen you smiling and positive. It's truly an honor to have you with us today. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming four-time Limca World Record holder, Khel Ratna winner, Arjuna awardee, and Padma Shri, Dr. Deepa Malik. Yes, I think she deserves a standing ovation. Parents and friends, I would also like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated heads, teachers, and staff. Our teachers have been the guiding lights in our students' lives, nurturing their minds and hearts and shaping their journeys. You have not only imparted knowledge, but have also instilled values, fostered creativity, encouraged them to dream big, and given them a strong foundation. The bonds you have found with your children and students are cherished and will be remembered for a lifetime. When our children come back as alumni, the long, tight hugs they give their teachers are a beautiful reminder of the love and affection they have for you. You are their mentors, advisors, guides, and confidants. Parents and grandparents, let's give our teachers a big round of applause. Thank you, teachers, for being the pillars of our DIS family. And speaking of family, may I now address those of us in the audience who are more excited than the children, more nervous than the teachers, and more emotional than anyone else in the room, our dear parents and grandparents. As a mother and grandmother myself, I share your joy, your tears, and your prayers for our children. How quickly time flies, and just like that, before you know, they are ready to fly out of the nest. I can only say this from experience. As they step into the world, you will always remain their first love, their forever guides, their lifelong coaches, their biggest cheerleaders, and their constant sources of encouragement, reassurance, and comfort. Parents, thank you for trusting us with your children. DAIS is the institution that it is because of you and all the children that come into our school. So on behalf of Isha, myself, all the children, teachers, and staff here. Let's give a huge round of applause to all the parents and grandparents. I'm delighted to share with you that starting August this year, we will be opening our new school, the Nita Mukesh Ambani Junior School. Led by my daughter Isha, it is truly a school of the future, combining the foundational principles of DIS with the state-of-the-art campus, world-class technology, new curriculum pathways, and the latest pedagogy. You have seen glimpses of it in our meetings over the last few years, and we are now ready to move into the new campus. Children, we will miss all of you there, but we can't wait to welcome you back, both to your old school and your new school. Children, today you graduate from being a DIS student to our diaspora. You join our vibrant alumni network who are making global impact across fields like education, healthcare, technology, media, sports, and the social sector. In January this year, we welcomed over 600 alumni and their spouses from all over the world at our diaspora meet. Seeing them reconnect, share their experiences, and answer your questions with such enthusiasm was truly a joy. As they say, the bonds you make in your school years are the bonds for a lifetime. Class of 2024, as you move forward, remember, you are the torchbearers of a glorious future, not just for a country, but for the world. The road will have its challenges, but also incredible opportunities. Seize them with open hearts and minds. Be the change makers and innovators. You are graduating into a world that is changing faster than ever before. The climate crisis is reshaping our environment. Social movements are redefining our norms. Geopolitical tensions are impacting global stability. Cultural exchanges are providing hope, peace, and solidarity. And technology is transforming our world every day. In this rapidly changing world, I urge you to remember the power of gratitude. Gratitude to your parents and grandparents for loving and supporting you selflessly and unconditionally. Gratitude to your teachers for guiding and motivating you. Gratitude to your friends for standing by you through thick and thin. Please, friends, look at each other and smile. Gratitude to your bus didis, driver bhaiyas, and everyone who has played a big or small part in your journeys. Embrace every single moment with gratitude in your heart and kindness in your ways. Life is a gift, and each day is a chance you have to make a difference to the world. So always believe in yourselves. Stay true to the values your school and parents have instilled in you, and strive to be the best version of yourselves. Class of 2024, you are precious and will be dearly missed at your school. In all that you do, the entire DIS family will be praying for you and cheering for you. Your school will always be your second home, and we will wait eagerly to see you again and again. I wish all of you the very best always. Lots of love, and God bless, my dear children. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.